Hello everyone, my name is Aizam Nazmin bin Ali Nordin. So today I'm gonna demonstrate the desktop application for my hybrid intrusion detection system built using Python's Tinkerter library. This is only the prototype that is fully functional. So this is the main window of the hybrid IDS for VoIP traffic monitoring. The interface is organized into tabs: home, live monitor, offline analysis, visualization, and threat management. The home tab provides an overview including project information, system status, and a quick start guide. So the quick start guide explains a brief introduction for each of the every tab included right here. So let's go to the live monitor. The live monitor tab is where real-time traffic monitoring and detection take place. On the left, we will find controls to start or stop monitoring, clear data, toggle email alerts, enable or disable the honeypot, and test both features. On the right, we will see a live table of network packets showing time, source, destination, protocol, and size. And below, the threat alerts table logs any detected threats in real time. So let's try to start monitoring. And this is the network traffic, which is provided using some line of code under Python. This is not the real network traffic. So for so how email alert works: whenever a threat is detected either by signature based or anomaly based detection, the system will automatically send an email alert if email alerts are enabled. The email contains details about the threat such as the type, action taken, and source IP. We can toggle email alerts on or off using the button here. We can also send a test email to verify our configuration. So let's try to send the test email to my personal email. And how we set up is use under the env file right here. This is my personal email, and this is the hybrid IDS email. So this is the example of a test email. For the honeypot, it is built in the Core SIP server that listens to port 5060. If any suspicious or unauthorized traffic is detected on this port, the system logs the event as a potential reconnaissance or attack attempt. This will also trigger an email alert if email notifications are enabled. We can test the honeypot by sending a simulated probe using the test honeypot button. So for example, I'm gonna turn on the honeypot detection, and I'm gonna test the honeypot, so we can get the honeypot trigger. In the offline analysis tab, I can load and analyze PCAP or CSV files for offline traffic review. So for example, I'm gonna load any PCAP that I get from the ISCX VPN 2016 provided by the University of New Brunswick Canadian Institute for Cybersecurity. This dataset contains real VoIP traffic, both VPN and non-VPN, which allows for robust evaluation of the IDS. So it's gonna take some time. After loading, after the file has loaded, the packets are displayed in a table for inspection, and we can export this data for further analysis or reporting. So this is the test detection. Alright. The visualization tab provides interactive charts including protocol, distribution, and trends over time, helping to quickly identify unusual patterns or spikes in traffic. And lastly, the threat management tab is for incident response. Here we can review and filter incident logs, update the status of each alert, and export or clear the logs as needed. So for example, I want to only get the ML best detection. So let's get, and all the ML best detection are listed. So I can export this information into my own CSV file, which is exported into Excel. And that's all for the prototype. Hello. Next, I'll demonstrate the web-based interface for my hybrid intrusion detection system, which is built using the Flash framework in Python. Please note that this web application is still under development, and some features may be in progress or subject to change. The the web app provides a modern browser-based interface for monitoring and managing web network security. It is organized into several main pages: dashboard, we can see right here, live monitor, offline analysis, visualization, threads, and settings. So the dashboard gives us a quick overview of the system, including the total number of packets processed and alerts detected. It's designed for at-a-glance monitoring and quick access to other features. Next, we have the Live Monitor page, which displays real-time network traffic and alerts similar to the desktop GUI. I can start and stop monitoring and view live updates of packets and detected threats as they happen. This is useful for continuous remote monitoring from any device with a web browser. In the offline analysis section, I can upload PCAP files for analysis. So let's try to load PCAP file. Successfully. The system processes the uploaded file, extracts traffic data, and displays it in a table for review. This is especially useful for analyzing historical or external datasets. For the visualization page, it provides interactive charts such as protocol distribution and traffic trends over time. These visualizations help users quickly spot anomalies or changes in the network behavior. Under Threat Management tab, it lists all detected alerts and incidents, allowing we to review, filter, and export logs for further analysis or reporting. This helps with incident response and maintaining a security audit trail. The settings page allows me to configure detection parameters, enable or disable email alerts, and set up notification preferences. I can also test the honeypot and email alert features directly from the web interface. So, as mentioned, this web application is still under development. Some advanced features such as more detailed visualizations, user authentication, and integration with external systems are planned for future updates. So that's all from me. Thank you so much.